Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno6 5G and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the left, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture now. To change that function, let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. At the last position here we have camera settings, so let's open them. And here at the second place we can find the volume button action, so when we pick it, we can decide to use this as volume, shutter which is now, or zoom. So let me pick zoom to show you how it works different. And let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, we can easily get closer to the subject and also move back, so we can use zoom now. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.